You can open it.
No. Yeah. Open it.
Who's it from? Who's the card from?
Mia's birthday.
It's for Meemaw's birthday?
Yeah. It's for Anna.
Oh.
It's her birthday. It's Anna.
Show us the card.
And the stickers.
All right. Yes.
Hold the card up.
Oh.
And take a picture.
What does it say? What's the card say?
3. Oh.
3 stickers. All right.
Let's see the card. Show me the card.
One, you,
Thank you.
and what did I?
Thank you.
What's that one?
It's a monkey. It's for me.
Oh, what's a monkey do?
You got.
What, can I see your
Go
card?
get the card and show us the front.
Read it to me. What does it
show
say?
it to me.
And it's Anna saying hi.
Oh.
Let me
Let's
see.
see.
Show me the front.
Santa says,
It says, bringing cheery thoughts your way. Hope they happy up your day.
no.
Always Meemaw and Papa James.
Here,
No.
Your pants are falling off.
come here, Ellie.
I'll take it off.
Come here.
I got it off.
Come here.
I can't get it off.
Okay.
All
That
right.
better?
Yeah. Let's open it. Up that. Up that sticker. What bananas?
Bananas?
Thank you.
Hey Ella, can you say thank you to Meemaw and Papa James?
Thank you, Papa. Thanks.
And
Mima. I say, good luck.
Here, hold this for me. Right out in front of you.